Hi children, welcome to Easy Economics. In this video I am explaining the new chapter wise weightage for the coming public examination for the second years and question paper pattern also. I think all of you know regarding the question paper pattern. So but in this video I am explaining the weightage also. So once you know the weightage, you know about the weightage, at that time it is very easy to you to concentrate on the units for the LAQs, SAQs and VSAQs. The preparation will become easy once you realize the weightage about the 10 chapters. Children, already 30% syllabus was deleted. From 70% of syllabus, Board of Intermediate is giving the question paper, and in the question paper also 50% choice. So from section A, you have to attempt the 3 LAQs out of 6. They will give 6 out of 6. You have to attempt 3 LAQs. And section B, out of 16, you have to attempt 8 SAQs. And section C, out of 25, you have to attempt 15 VSAQs. So nearly half of the choice is there in the final examination. So because of the increased choice, the weightage of the chapters has been modified. So I am giving the new weightage of the 10 chapters. From first unit, children, you will get 1 LAQ, 1 SAQ and 2 VSAQs. Totally 19 marks you will get from the first unit. And from the second unit, 1 LAQ, 1 SAQ, 3 VSAQs. Total marks are 21. And from the third unit, 1 LAQ, 2 SAQs and 2 VSAQs. Totally 24 marks. And from the fourth unit, 2 SAQs, 2 VSAQs. Totally 14 marks. From the fifth unit, 1 LAQ, 2 SAQs and 4 VSAQs. 28 marks you are getting from this unit. Highest weightage. From all the units, fifth unit is having highest weightage in the coming examination. And unit 6th, 1 LAQ, 1 SAQ, 2 VSAQs. Overall weightage is 19 marks. And from the unit 7, 2 SAQs, 3 VSAQs. Weightage is 16 marks. From the 8th unit, 1 SAQ and 2 VSAQs. Total weightage is 9 marks. And from the 9th unit, you will get 2 SAQs, 2 VSAQs. Totally 14 marks. Last unit, 10th unit, 1 LAQ, 2 SAQs and 3 VSAQs. So totally 26 marks. So it is occupying second place in case of weightage. So whenever choice has been increased, that is the reason from the 10th unit also they are asking the LAQ. Before that, from the 10th unit, there is no weightage for the LAQ. But according to the modified weightage, from 10th unit also, they are asking the 10 marks question. Okay children, once if you are observing the weightage, you will get an idea regarding the weightage of the units. So highest weightage is 5th unit is having highest weightage. Second place goes to 10th unit and third place goes to 3rd unit and next place goes to 2nd unit. Generally, whenever you are observing this weightage, you will get an idea, that is, by concentrating on the 4 units, you are able to get 99 marks. From 2nd, 3rd, 5th and 10th units, total marks are 99. Yes, it is true. But only concentrating on the 4 units, will become difficult to the average students. Why? Because children, you have to definitely learn any 3 units, LAQs from any 3 units. So if you are giving priority to the 3rd unit, so you have to learn 3 LAQs from the 3rd unit. That is causes and measures of poverty, causes and measures of unemployment, and the measures to eradicate or reduce income inequalities. So you have 3 LAQs are there. So it is very, very difficult to the average students to learn the 3 LAQs. And coming to the agriculture lesson also, unit also, you have to learn 3 LAQs. So that is the reason, children. As for the topper students, it is very easy to concentrate on only on the 4 units, and extra 1 unit they have to learn. But to the average students, they have to concentrate that by studying less questions, how to get good marks is their main intention. Generally, they will think like that. By studying less questions, less number of questions, how to get the good marks. That is the logic. So that is the children. That is the reason, children. Now I am suggesting you, first of all, you have to concentrate for the LAQs. For the LAQs, you have to concentrate on 10th unit. Why? Because only 2 questions are there, 2 LAQs are there. From 2, 1 will come. And next priority goes to first unit. From first unit also 2 LAQs are there, only 1 will come from that. And second unit also 2 LAQs are there, from 2 1 will come in the final examination. So it is easy. For LAQs, if you are concentrating on first, second and 10th unit, only 6 questions are there, from 6 3 will come. And the students who are capable, able to learn some more LAQs, so they have to concentrate on the 5th unit. From the 5th unit, 3 LAQs are there, and 3 LAQs, one question is from both, it will be asked for both 5 marks and 10 marks, that is causes and measures of rural indebtedness. Except that the other 2 LAQs are causes for low productivity and importance of agriculture. Okay guys. So in this way, for the LAQs, the average students first concentrate on 10th unit, first and second units, and those who are able to learn some more LAQs, they have to concentrate on the 5th unit. In this way, children, it is clear for LAQs, you have to concentrate on mainly 3 units, first, second and 10th. Later, the children who are able to learn some more, they have to concentrate on the 5th unit. Next one, for 5 marks, on which units you have to concentrate. Children, first priority goes to 10th unit. So 10th unit, 4 SAQs are there. So by studying 4, you will get 2 in the examination. And from the 9th unit, only 3 important SAQs are there. By studying 3, you will get 2 in the final examination. And later, children, 7th unit, 4 SAQs are there. By studying 4, you will get 2. 5th unit, 3 SAQs are there. So by studying 3, you will get 2 in the final examination. And 4th unit, also 3 SAQs are there. Neat Aayog, planning and major objectives of planning. Okay, from 3rd unit also 3 are there. In this way, children, choose any 4 units. Average students have to choose any 4 units. Children, here 4 SAQs are there. From 4, 2 will come. From 9th unit, 3 SAQs are there. 3, 2 will come. And coming to the 7th unit, 4 SAQs are there. From 4, 2 will come. Coming to the 5th unit, I think 3 to 4 are there. From 4, 2 will come. And coming to the 4th unit, 3 SAQs are there. From 3, 2 will come. 3rd unit also 3 SAQs are there. From 3, 2 will come. So in this way, by learning few questions, how to get the good marks, you have to concentrate like that. So if you are thinking like that, first priority goes to children third unit and fourth unit. By studying 3, you will get 2 questions from this unit, and here also the same. So 4 SAQs will be covered. And 5th unit, the questions are easy: green revolution, rural indebtedness. So definitely have to concentrate on these questions also. By reading 3 or 4, you will get 2 questions. So 6 questions are covered. From 7th unit, learning 4, you will get 2. So that is the reason, if anyone it is find difficult to you, concentrate on the 9th unit. By learning 3, you will get 2. The 3 questions are types of pollution, importance of sustainability, concept, and why should we protect the environment. So the questions are very easy. So that is the reason, children, the average students first concentrate for the SAQs on 10th unit and on 9th unit. Next one, 3rd and 4th units. First priority goes to, in case of SAQs, 3rd, 4th, 9th and 10th units. So already 8 questions were covered. Okay, from this 2 to 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Extra, choose any one of the unit from 5th or 7th. Okay, any one unit based on your capability, choose any one of the unit. And 2 marks also, children. From 10th unit 3, so learn the answers from 10th unit, few are there, and from 9th unit few questions are there, few VSAQs are there, 4 to 5 are there, and 8th unit also only 3 VSAQs are there. Okay guys, from 7th unit also few VSAQs are there, and 6th unit also few VSAQs are there, and have to concentrate first and second, third unit also, 4th unit. So why I am not suggesting the 5th unit? 4 questions will come, but nearly 10 VSAQs are there. By studying 10, you will get 4. But in these units, by studying few, you are able to get the good marks. Few VSAQs, important VSAQs are there. So in this way, children, think logically and try to get the good marks. And in the next video, I will give the important questions also, and LAQs and SAQs I will give in one video, and VSAQs, the important VSAQs from the most important chapters, I will upload the videos with explanation. I think this video is useful to you for your better preparation. Okay children, thank you for watching.